Hello friend, this is Vinay and in today's video I'm going to show you how to view Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. So the first method is by using control panel, and here is what you need to do. Click on the search icon available on the taskbar and then you need to type control panel. When the same app appears in the search results, click to open it. Now here you need to set view by to large icons, and here you need to locate network and sharing center. Click on it. Now here you need to click on the link next to connections. Now this will open Wi-Fi status window. You need to click on wireless property button. Now this will open another window. Here you need to switch to security tab. Now locate network security key entry. So basically this is the Wi-Fi password. To view it, check the box for show characters and this will display the Wi-Fi password. So following the same procedure you can view the Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11 PC. The next method is by using command prompt or Windows PowerShell. So here is what you need to do. Click on the search icon available on the taskbar and then you need to type command prompt. When the app appears in the search results, click on run as administrator. When UAC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Now here you need to copy paste this command. I have already added in the description. Hit enter. Now this will show you all the user profiles. In my case, this is the network connection to which my PC is connected, and I want to know or view the password for this connection. The next command is going to be this. Now in this command you need to replace profile name with the user profile 5G and hit enter, and this will display the Wi-Fi password for this internet connection. So this command also works in Windows PowerShell. So depending on your preference, you can either use Windows PowerShell or command prompt to view password on Windows 11 PC. So these are two methods using which you can view Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.